and type the ImageJ software for Mac. Then click on this website ImageJ Wiki. Over here you will find option for the download, so click over here. And then you can find the option for Mac OS. So ImageJ bundle with Java 8 or with M1 ARAM Mac, download ImageJ bundle. So similarly you can find it for the Linux, for Windows and for other stuff. So click on the ImageJ bundle. So it will begin to download. Since I have already downloaded the ImageJ, so I will stop over here and go to the downloaded folder. So now here we have the downloaded image in a zip format. So if you double click, it will unzip, and then you can see a small icon for ImageJ. If you double click on the ImageJ, a message will pop up. It shows ImageJ cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Okay, so that's a common problem when it comes to the Mac installation. So in this case, what you can do, hit the command and shift and go to the privacy security. In the privacy security, scroll down, and in the bottom you will see option allow application downloaded from. Okay, so just click on open anyway. Then it will ask for password, so provide the password, and now this will allow you to run this program. So first click cancel again, double click, and now you will see a pop-up message, Mac OS cannot verify the developer of ImageJ, are you sure you want to open it? So you can say open, yes, click over open. Now you can minimize all these windows. Okay, double click on the ImageJ. Now you can see this ImageJ. ImageJ software is very useful when it comes to calculating mean diameter from the SEM or for TM images. In my next video, I will show you how to use ImageJ software to estimate the mean size of a nanoparticle. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to be updated with my new video.